Hi guys. So me and Izzy decided to go to Wingstop Thursday night, and she's gonna teach me how to eat wings taking the bone out, because apparently there's a way to do it. So check it out. Can you not? I can't do it because the thing is like...
Okay, so I'm just gonna teach you how to eat a boneless, not like the ones that have like the two little bits, the classic buffalo wings. You have to like eat them a certain way, if not, then you just look like you don't know what you're doing. So what you do is take it right, and then you take the part that has the bone, and then this little bone slides right off. That's fine. And then you just have one meat, only one bone. The bit.
Oh my god. Show me that bone. That really hurt. I broke it. Hold on, I got it. Spicy.
Ew, look at my fingers.
Thank you.
I don't even have anything on it.
You want to eat this one? I'll eat the drumstick.
Yeah. Are we gonna explain today what this is?
Yeah, we'll go in the car and not here. Just for now. Go. Okay, and of course we didn't record in the car. I don't know if you could hear it, but I said we can't explain it in there because it was too loud that we were going to explain it in the car, but we forgot. So pretty much there was these new wings. They were called like Brazilian citrus wings or something, and they were supposed to be like spicy. So this is us trying them out.
Girl, you're classic. You're all mine.
It's spicy.
What?
I don't even know what it tastes like. It tastes like a fruit. Like it's sweet.
It's citrusy. It's citrus. Okay.
Yeah, right. I don't like dry rubs.
We decided that we are just not the best food critics. Anyways, now let's check out Friday. Okay, so to start off Friday, here's a very small clip of a pre-K parade celebrating pre-K and kindergarten day. Now, I couldn't show any of the other kids' faces. The only one that I am showing is my coworker's daughter, and it was the highlight of my day, of my work day that day, so that's why I'm including her on here. Okay, and then after work, Izzy and I went to help out her aunt because she has a catering business, so check it out. Hey y'all. Y'all. It's Friday, and this is how we spend our Friday nights, looking like some straight up OGs, some gangsters with some polo shirts, mixing that. Cooking them pies with my baby.
I'll be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah.
We're helping my aunt cater a birthday party.
And this is really cute party, by the way. Oh, I want to show you. Look at these centerpieces. Photo, backdrop, whatever. Get in the picture, Izzy. There you go, girl. Dang it, why won't they go away so I can record this? Because it's so cute. It's like a little garden. And there's a fountain. Let me see what you're celebrating 420 with.
Bro.
Say it again.
Wait, hold on, not yet. I'm gonna do it when I turn. So the parsley on the mac and cheese, right?
Yes.
You mean
They don't care. Hold on, I want to see her do this because I know she's gonna mess up.
mac and cheese parsley, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And mix it around. First mix it around, and then pour.
She's a real mad Puerto Rican.
We are dead.
Basically.
There was a bug on my hand. Your grandma's talking to you.
Yes, Grandma.
I got to keep a candy.
I feel like I just worked an 8-hour shift.
Yeah,
a
this
restaurant.
just like we just worked a double.
Like, if you can tell, my hair's all humid and gross.
It rained so hard outside that the lights flickered twice.
It was horrible.
But
This
survived.
is the lady behind everything. She
Lower,
cooked.
she ain't that tall, girl.
She cooked. She baked. This is her logo. We're gonna put her
Catering.
information on the description box below. Call her if you need any
For
kind of catering
purposes only.
The duck face.
or baking. Okay.
Duck face.
Alright, she's cool.
Talk about MySpace. Hello. All right.
So everything's done. We just cleaned. We just put stuff in the car. We're exhausted. I'm
And we're about
pass
to
out.
swim to our car because
Basically.
it's freaking flooded.
Basically. Okay. Okay. Don't you want us to keep it for next month?
Run into people. ¿Cómo te sientes, Nat? Super windy, but the sun's coming out, so hopefully it warms up. So it's Sunday night, and we thought we'd relax. Bye.
This is not relaxation, okay? I just want you to know I'm here against my will.
Yeah, right. She's enjoying it. This is our work in progress. It's mine. And we'll be back when it's done. We're at Starbucks, by the way. That's why I'm kind of whispering. It's not quiet in here, but I think like it should be, because people are studying. Show us your masterpiece.
I messed up.
No, you didn't. Looks fine.
Looks so good.
Guys, comment down if this looks good.
It doesn't. Okay, the thingies look good. I'll give that credit. But I suck at calligraphy. So yeah. But I like how this came out.
That looks cute.
Just ignore this. And look at that.
I'm still not done with mine.
She did really good.
It's gonna take forever. Fill that up. The hair took forever.
She did really good.
Yeah. 1738.